site run by Marcus Carlson. He's out of Sweden. Teaches guitar lessons. Now, I'm logged in as a customer. When I log in, I arrive at the dashboard. This gives a welcome message. There's some special programs that he wants to promote. And then we provide access to the courses that the person is enrolled in. So I'm just going to click in here, and you can see on the next page that we've customized the LearnDash course so that we can display it, in a much prettier way. So each of the lessons here are listed down the page. The lessons are also listed down this way with progress indicators in here. When people click into a course, they see more detail. We've got it set up so they very consistently give people access to certain materials that are related to that section. I can go and navigate this way over to rhythm guitars, so I can get quick access to all the training materials that I've purchased. Although in this case, what it did is it moved me down into the next lesson. So if I click into any one of these, you'll see that it's a fairly consistent way of showing course materials. And so you can navigate either down the page like this, or you can navigate, from course to course, going back up to the Your Program section. So the courses are just designed to be very consistent. So once you get a feel for how things run on one of these, understanding how they work on the next one is pretty straightforward. But as you can see, these are the lessons that belong in week 1. Then when I click into here, I'm going into a LearnDash topic, and this topic belongs to that lesson. And that pretty much explains how we've defined this using LearnDash and making it look attractive.